Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming iOS and available storage so the system accepts new tones. Next, get the audio file you want, MP3, M4A, or WAV, ideally 30 to 40 seconds for clarity. Once done, move the file into Files or iCloud Drive and make sure GarageBand is installed. You'll use it to convert and export as a ringtone. You're not creating a ringtone yet. You're preparing the app and file, so the conversion step will be fast and reliable. Now you import the file into GarageBand and set it up for export. Create a new audio recorder or keyboard project, then drag or import your sound from files. Trim the clip to the desired section, normalize volume, and disable loops so it stops after one play. Once you're satisfied, tap the arrow, choose Share, then Ringtone. Name it and export. The app enforces export length, so make sure the clip fits. This produces a system-compatible tone that iOS will accept. Finally, assign the new tone in Settings Right Arrow Sounds and Haptics. Pick Text Tone, Ringtone, or go into App Notification Settings to set it app-specific. You can also assign it per contact for instant identification. If the tone doesn't appear, quit Settings and restart the phone, then check that GarageBand exported successfully and the file is under 40 seconds. iOS often hides longer files. Make sure iCloud or Files sync completed before exporting. If problems persist, re-export with slight format tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.